In 2004, a young Lionel Messi debuted for Barcelona, and over the next 17 years, he redefined football from mesmerizing dribbles to historic trophies. This is the story of Messi's incredible Barcelona career. Lionel Messi made his Barcelona first team debut at just 17 years of age, becoming the youngest player ever to play for the club. His promise was evident from the start. Messi's first senior goal, a delightful lob, marked the beginning of a career. The year 2005 to 2006 saw Messi take significant strides forward. He scored 6 goals in all competitions, including his first in the Champions League, showcasing his flair on Europe's biggest stage. Although an injury ruled Messi out of the later stages, he became the youngest player to win a Champions League title with Barcelona. In the season 2006 to 2007, Messi's solo goal against Getafe in the Copa del Rey mirrored Maradona's iconic 1986 World Cup strike. Messi's third season saw him step into the spotlight. He scored 17 goals in all competitions, including the goal in Copa del Rey. A hat-trick engaged in El Clasico as a 19-year-old cemented Messi's place among football's brightest stars. His ability to deliver in big moments became a hallmark of his career. In the season 2007 to 2008, Messi emerged as Barcelona leader. Despite injuries, he scored 17 goals. Though Barca fell short of silverware, Messi's performances pointed to an era of dominance. Under Pep Guardiola, Messi reached new heights in the 2008 to 2009 season. He scored a total of 38 goals in all competitions as Barcelona completed an unprecedented treble, which contained La Liga, Copa del Rey and Champions League. In the UCL final, Messi's header against Manchester United sealed Barca's triumph. His Ballon d'Or win at the end of the year confirmed his status as the world's best player. Messi continued his dominance, scoring 47 goals as Barcelona retained the La Liga title. He became the youngest player to win back-to-back Ballon d'Or awards. Messi's brilliance shone brightest on the European stage, where he scored 4 goals against Arsenal in the Champions League. With 53 goals and 24 assists, Messi was the heartbeat of a Barcelona side that may be considered the greatest team ever. They won La Liga and the Champions League in style. Messi's solo goal against Real Madrid at the Bernabeu was a moment of pure magic. He showcased his ability to decide games single-handedly, while Messi became the youngest ever player to win back-to-back hat-trick of Ballon d'Ors. In the year 2011 to 2012, Messi scored 73 goals, the most ever in a single football season. Despite Barca fell short of La Liga and the Champions League, Messi's individual brilliance was unmatched as Messi became the first player to score 5 goals in a Champions League match, a testament to his ability. make the unbreakable record of winning back-to-back 4 Ballon d'Ors. In the 2012 to 2013 season, Messi set another record. He scored in 21 consecutive La Liga matches, totaling to 46 league goals. His 60 goals across all the competitions carried a Barcelona side which struggled with injuries and inconsistency. In the same year, Messi broke Gerd Müller record, which was 40 years old. He scored 91 goals in 2012. It was a feat that solidified his place in the football history. Despite Messi's individual brilliance, injuries limited him in the later stages of season as Barca fell short in Europe. While everyone thought Messi would win another Ballon d'Or, this time his long rival Cristiano Ronaldo won the Ballon d'Or with a major difference of votes. The 2013 to 2014 season was one of the challenges for Messi. Injuries plagued him, yet he still scored 41 goals in 46 matches. In the same year, Messi surpassed Paulinho Alcantara's record of 369 goals, further cementing his legendary status. Despite his efforts, Barcelona ended the season trophyless, setting the stage for a return to the dominance of the following year. But due to that, Messi once again fell short to Ronaldo in the Ballon d'Or. In the year 2014 to 15, under the guidance of Luis Enrique, Messi led Barcelona to their second treble, which again included La Liga, Copa del Rey and the Champions League. He scored a total of 58 goals and formed the iconic MSN trio with Neymar and Suarez. Messi's performances against Bayern, including his famous dribble past Jerome Boateng, was a career-defining moment. His brilliance ensured Barca's passage to the final. In the final, Messi orchestrated a 3-1 victory, securing his 4th Champions League title. And another Ballon d'Or. Messi continued to break records, scoring 41 goals and providing 26 assists as Barcelona won the La Liga and Copa del Rey. Messi dribbled past multiple defenders in the Copa del Rey final, proving he was still in the league of his own. Despite the success in Spain, Barcelona fell short in Europe, but Messi's brilliance remained undeniable. Messi fell short in the Ballon d'Or race as his rival Ronaldo made his crown to the three. In 2016 to 2017, Messi scored 54 goals in 52 matches, including a memorable last-minute winner in El Clasico, celebrated with his iconic shirt-holding celebration at Bernabeu. Though Barca finished second in La Liga and fell in the Champions League quarter-finals, Messi's performance ensured that they still lifted silverware. Ronaldo once again won the Ballon d'Or, equaling the record of Lionel Messi. Messi led Barcelona to another domestic double, scoring 45 goals and dominating the La Liga with his genius mind. Messi's hat-trick against Deportivo sealed Barca's 7th La Liga title in 10 years, highlighting his unparalleled influence on the team. Luka Modric broke the streak of GOAT debate, becoming the first player to win the Ballon d'Or in the GOAT era. In 2018 to 2019, Messi scored 51 goals in 50 matches and delivered one of the most finest free kicks of his career against Liverpool. Despite Messi's heroics, Barcelona 4-0 loss to Liverpool in the second leg marked a bitter end to a promising season. Messi did the impossible, becoming the only player to win 6 Ballon d'Ors, but the worthy one was not given the Ballon d'Or. In a turbulent season, Messi still scored 31 goals and providing 25 assists, but Barcelona's struggles were evident as they were humiliated to a 8-2 loss to Bayern Munich in the Champions League. But still, Messi's brilliance, the team flaws were exposed, leading to a season without any trophies. In the final season 2020-21, Messi helped Barcelona lift the Copa del Rey in the 2021. Messi's departure from Barcelona in August 2021 marked the end of a 21-year chapter and a tearful farewell captivated the football world. Though Messi finished Barcelona career with 4 Champions League titles, 10 La Liga titles, 7 Copa del Rey trophies, 6 Ballon d'Ors, 6 European Golden Shoes, and many other accolades, leaving him one of the greatest players of all time.